Dear students, as you can see that it is written about the case. I have sent it to you already, uploaded it in your group. But you know what? We need to revise the things right now because, sorry, CC is coming and I have already uploaded the CC syllabus in your group also. So it is time that we revise something. So as you can see there, it is noun case. I think all of you are aware of noun and the cases we will discuss right now, which is already discussed before. So we are only revising the same thing here, but in a different way. As you can see, the note which is uploaded here, already uploaded in your group and which is being visible here on your screen, this is a little bit different from the note which I have already sent you. So it is written that noun cases is another topic which comes under noun. The case of a noun tells us about the position of that noun in a sentence. There are four cases of the nouns: subjective or nominative, accusative or objective, genitive or possessive. And another one, the last one, is dative case. Now, subjective or nominative, which means, as the name suggests, it is actually what we call the noun that is working or serving the purpose of a subject. So when a noun or pronoun is used as a subject of a verb or the complement of a being verb, is said to be in the subjective or nominative case. When we ask the question what or who to get the subjective or nominative case. See, in the example it is written that John threw a stone. So which is the verb? Threw, and you ask it with who. The answer is John. So John is here subjective or nominative case. Who threw a stone? Answer is John. Then comes another one, that is a the next one, another is there. The horse kicked the boy. Who kicked the boy? The horse. So the horse is here subjective or nominative. Now here it is another the next one is that is accusative or objective case. When a noun or pronoun is used as the object of a verb or the object of a preposition. Remember, object of a verb or object of a preposition is said to be in the accusative case. Now you go back to here, the previous example, the horse kicked the boy. So whom was kicked by the horse? Answer is the boy. And it is written there that accusative or objective case, we ask the question what or whom to get the answer. And the answer is actually accusative or objective case. So the previous example, the horse kicked the boy. Whom was kicked by the horse? It was the boy. Another one was that John threw a stone. What did John throw? Answer is a stone. So in the first example it is a stone, and in the second instance it is the boy, which are set in objective case. The book is on the desk. I told you it is also the object of a preposition, which is the preposition here on, and which is the object of this preposition, that is the desk. So here it is desk is in accusative case or objective case because it is the object of a preposition. Next come to the explanation that see, there is a next one. At first there are some examples are given. Rama gave a ball, or Rama gave Hari a ball. Now see, in each of these sentences the noun ball is the object of gave. In the second sentence we are told that Hari was the person whom Rama gave a ball. So Hari is called the indirect object. And here the direct thing means if you ask the verb with what and if you get the answer, that is direct object. You ask it with whom, answer will be indirect object. So remember these things. It is also relevant for your information. Then comes a possessive or genitive case. Now it is written that when a noun or pronoun denotes the possessor or the owner of thing. This is mine. Here, I am the owner of this thing. The mobile which I am holding here, I am the owner of this mobile set. So here that kind of sense will be there in possessive or genitive case. Examples are written, this is Ram's umbrella, like this is Suman sir's mobile phone, or this is yours intellect, or yours chocolate, or whatever it is. Suppose I'm telling you that this is a Shakhar's chocolate. Who is the owner of the chocolate? Shakhar. So Shakhar is in possessive case. That's how the possessive cases are written. Some other times what happens, if the word ends with s, in that case to make it possessive we add apostrophe after the s. Especially for plural sense also we add after apostrophe. After the s we add apostrophe. Like if I tell you that if I tell you that let me tell you one thing. Okay, possessive case. Okay, this is boy's room, boy apostrophe s. That denotes singular sense, singularity. Another one is that boys, after s, after s I am giving the apostrophe, which means this denotes that there are more than one boys who are living there and the whole room belongs to them. First one is the singular sense, another one it is the plural sense. So these are the ways we make the possessive case for nouns. Nouns, not pronouns, this is for nouns. So generally, in order to know the possessive case, you have to ask the question whose. Who is the owner? And the answer will be the possessive case. Now, possessive case does not always denote possession. It is used to denote authorship, origin, or kind also. Like the Shakespeare's plays, A Mother's Love. Shakespeare's plays means what? Shakespeare's plays means who wrote the play? Shakespeare. That is how. Shakespeare is the author of the play. A mother's love, the love felt by a mother. Here it is not arranged properly. In our next class, arrangement is little bit shaky here. In next class I will clarify it. Okay, how to arrange. I think you know already how to arrange it, but the arrangement is little bit hasty. I will tell it to you in the class. Formation of the possessive case, which is already discussed before. How to form the possessive case? By adding apostrophe s to the noun, or by adding apostrophe after s to the noun. These are the rules, and these rules you know already. These rules were elaborately discussed in our previous classes. So the reason why I reiterated the same thing, it is for revision, for the sake of revision, so that you can keep it in your mind well. The next, it is also written that when the noun is plural and ends in s, possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe after the s. That's what I was telling. Sometimes there are some names that ends with s. In that case also we add apostrophe after the s. We don't add another s after the apostrophe if the noun is ending with a s. So that's how the whole thing is being done. Men's club, children's books. This is the plural form of the words, and you are adding apostrophe s with it and nothing else, because these sentences does not end in s. That's why we are adding apostrophe s, though they are written in plural. So that's how by and by all the things which are written there, these will be a help, very much help for your betterment. And in the exam, as you know, I will give you these things. And the last one which is written there, that is dative. It is in the dative case. A noun or pronoun is in the dative case when it forms the indirect object of a verb, which you know that. We ask the question to whom or for whom to get the dative case. That is, he gave Sheila a pen. So what did he give? Pen. That is direct object, objective case. But if I ask to whom was the pen given, it is Sheila, that is dative case. So the indirect object of the sentences are called the dative case, while the direct object are the objective case. So that's how the whole thing is done. And there are some examples which, exercises which are given there. I hope you will complete it and we will discuss it in our live online class. So that's all for today, students. We will meet again. Thank you for being here.